What's the meaning of agincourt? Agincourt. 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 Agincourt is a place name referring to a battle that occurred on October 25, 1415, during the 100 Years' War between England and France. The battle was fought near the village of Agincourt in northern France and resulted in a decisive English victory despite being outnumbered by the French army. The English army, led by King Henry V, used their archers to devastating effect against the French knights who became bogged down in the muddy terrain. The English suffered minimal losses while the French suffered heavy casualties, including many noblemen and commanders.